cousin, on my YouTube side, I have something so cute. Actually, two things, y'all. These new 10-inch Toyotress human hair bob wigs, they are so cute. Today I'm going to be showing you just a couple of them, just to kind of give y'all the flavor of this new wig line. But baby, these wigs so cute. The media team at the church gonna be trying to get you in all the pictures for all the publications and the programs and everything else, because that wig so cute. Oh, who is that? Who is that girl right there? I'm gonna be bringing you two Toyotress human hair bobs. I'm going to be showing you SH30, I believe that's this color, and color 1B, just to kind of give you the differences and, you know, how the wigs lie, etc, etc. Y'all, I beat that face like it stole out the collection plate. Didn't I do that? Y'all, look at that dot right there. I messed up and got mascara on my face and just kept it there to be like it. I meant to put that little dot there for makeup. Go for what you know, boo-boo. Go for what you know. So, you know, I gotta start off with my favorite wig grip. I love that thing. Here is the SH30. And basically it is a black human hair bob. It's 10 inches and it has the peekaboo color underneath on the sides. This is what the wig cap is looking like. There's a strip of lace right there at the top to give you a natural part. We have two combs off to the side with pride, one in the back, and the adjustable strap. That is the top that I was telling you guys about for a natural part. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of work with that part. This is just right out the box. I just want to show you guys what the wig looks like once you receive it. That's that peekaboo color right there, and it is giving 30. It's giving a nice kind of pecan, you know, kind of chocolate, a little bit lighter than chocolate though. It's actually not as bright as it looks right there. I don't know, it's not. So it's kind of like a pecan color, but the wig feels very good. Again, this is a human hair wig, you guys, so you know we will be applying heat. Now, I'm going to do a little bit of customization to this wig that I'm not going to do to the color 1B, just so you know the difference. You don't have to do these things, but I like to show you. We are going to give that parting area a nice tone that matches my particular scalp more. That's it, that's all, and I'm going to go ahead and pluck. You do not have to do this. It already looks fine, but you know I am extra on top of extra. Get you a pair of these tweezers. Those are in my Amazon store. They have a nice finger grip, so you're not hurting your fingers as you're plucking, because you know when you in this wig game, you do a lot of plucking, and you don't want, come on now, we don't want to tear our fingers up. Why would you do that? We're not supposed to be out here tearing our fingers up. So these are great tweezers. They really get the little bitty hairs, and they get a bunch. They group the hair as well. If you want to, you know, if you have a lot of hair to pluck and you need to grab a lot of hairs, it's very precise. So that's what I like about these tweezers. You can already see that part starting to open up. That's what I'm doing, you guys. We are creating a Moses part, okay? The type of part that Moses would be proud of, so that the children and the grandmamas and stuff can get over across the water. You want to make sure that you can get them folk over there in safety and security. So sometimes you got to make that part do what it do. So this is one of my favorite flat irons and comb attachments. I'm just about to apply heat because, again, this is human hair. This is actually 100% Brazilian virgin hair, you guys. I did not tell you this, I don't think, but it's a 180% density wig. It is nice and full, and that light yaki texture gives it a nice look, a very natural look. And I'm really just going to go through and I'm going to just shape it a little bit more, you know, right out of the box. It has its own shape, so you can keep it if you want to, just kind of comb through it. But you know me, when I get a 10-inch bob, I'm pressing it, period. You don't have to ask no question about what I'm gonna do to the bob. Look at that, honey. That Chi flat iron is amazing. I've always loved Chi flat irons, and if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But look how beautifully that's pressing. Again, that those light Yaki bobs, y'all. Oh my gosh, you really cannot go wrong with these type of bobs, and especially it being a human hair light Yaki bob. It's over with. The game is over, and I'm loving how this is pressing. It was very easy, you guys. Once I got up to the top, I just used a little bit of my favorite molding wax just to get that top pressed down and run it over like our blessings. Look how clean that parting area is, y'all. We did that. We did that. All things work together for those that love the Lord. You already know what time it is. Look how everything is coming together. Look how everything, you know what the words say? You know what the words say. I love that peekaboo color. It's cute. It's subtle. It's when you want to be a little bit extra and a little bit not. Now this is the 1B. I really like this one because it has its own style, you guys. Right out of the box, this is what it looks like. It really has its own like shaping. You know what I mean? It already has a nice kind of curl flip, you know, inner buckle type of thing going on. That's what I like about this. You really can wear this one right out of the box if you choose to. If you like kind of that style, it's already done. You know what I'm gonna do though. Y'all already know I'm gonna press it. But what I'm saying is you don't necessarily have to do it. Okay, now what I'm not going to do is the coloring at the top, that little strip of lace. I'm not going to do anything with that. I'm not going to pluck the part just to show you that it still looks good. Baby, look at that. All I did was press it like I did the SH30. Look at this wig. You cannot tell me this is not off the hook. I was so ready to go somewhere right there. I was so ready to go. Matter of fact, I think I had date night that night. And baby, I just knew I was cute. I just knew I was cute. Look how it moves. That's really due to the fullness of the wig, the type of wig that it is, the quality of the hair, y'all, the way that it flows, that light Yaki texture, all of that stuff plays a part in how it's looking, how it is moving. Baby, you could shout. They're gonna be like, girl, she got a pretty shout. It's over with. This is glueless, y'all. You just put your wig grip on. Bam. Look at that. Look at that. That's the peekaboo color. Look how it worked. Y'all, that is so cute. It's a subtle edgy. You know what I'm saying? It's edgy, but it's classic edgy. You know what I mean? Because I know some of y'all like to do that. You want to live on the edge a little bit, but not quite all the way up to the edge. You want to be a little bit far back off to the middle or the side middle of the edge. Right, not right on the edge. Right, that's how y'all like to live a little bit. This is perfect for you. It gives you just enough spice, but subtly. Y'all, which one are you feeling? 1B or the SH30 with the peekaboo color? Let me know which one you're gonna grab, or both, because the price is definitely right. Y'all, let me know in the comments. Go ahead, blow them up. What do you guys think about Toyotress's new line of human hair bob wigs? I'm excited about it, and I bet you I'm gonna have all the colors in a minute. You know how I am about these bobs. And until next time, guys, peace, love, and light. Bye-bye.